Simplify the fraction in lowest terms. What is 72 over 96? Well, simplifying a fraction means finding an easier way to say the same amount. So we want to see if we could break both of these down into smaller, equal groups. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to purposely choose a number and divide the numerator and the denominator by that number, knowing very well that I'm going to have to keep going. I just want to show you what happens if you do that and what to do. So let's say divide the numerator and the denominator by 2. Those are both even. We can divide them both by 2. 72 divided by 2 is equal to 36. 96 divided by 2 is 48. Now you're looking at that and thinking, well, wait a minute. I can keep going. Those are both even numbers again. So why don't I divide them both by 2 again and see what happens? Divide the numerator by 2, divide the denominator by 2. That gets me 36 divided by 2 is 18, and 48 divided by 2 is 24. Now we're like, wait a minute, this could keep going, so why don't I think a little bit more smart? What's a larger number that I can divide both 18 and 24 by? How about 6? So I can divide those both by 6, numerator and the denominator. 18 divided by 6 and 24 divided by 6 is going to be 3 over 4. So after all of that, we end up with 3/4, also worded as 3/4.